Good morning, everybody. I'm Brian Iverson, co-founder of MyCityLender Home Loans. Here as always with Shane Sauer from Blueink Title Agency, and this is your weekly housing fast break. We'll get to your mortgage rate update and economic news in just a moment, but first here's Shane with our housing update. Good morning, Shane.
Good morning, Brian. Hey everybody, as we take a look at the numbers from last week, a few things popped out to me this week. Our 90-day average list price in Maricopa County had a very modest dip last week, which will lead me to believe that we are seeing some signs of a slowing in that area. It may be too early to tell, but this has been a very gentle valley in regards to this list price decline. Inventory numbers continue to grow. In using a 7-day calculation, we are now at about the highest point we've seen in the last 5 years, which is pretty amazing in itself. And finally, the percentage of price decreases on single-family home listings in Maricopa County is sitting firmly at 46%. That means that 46% of all single-family home listings in the county had at least one price decrease. All of this data really suggests a great news and a great time for buyers out there. Brian, what are you seeing?
Yeah, I thank you, Shane, for that update. That is encouraging information for our buyers out there. It's true, rates have moved upwards a little bit since the Fed rate cut back in the middle of September, but I do think we're going to be stabilized for the foreseeable future. Mortgage rates do have some upward pressure, but remain in the mid-sixes with the expectation that rate movement will be minimal through the end of this year. As of this morning, the current national average for conventional 30-year mortgage rates is 6.82%, about 20 basis points higher than last week. Average FHA and VA 30-year rates have also risen slightly week over week, both to 6.25%. Stock futures are lower this week as traders continue to watch the 10-year Treasury yield. Treasury prices are worse this morning with the 10-year yield trading at 4.13%. And finally, later this week, we'll get the MBA application data and existing home sales data. That's it for this week, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Hit us up with a comment down below. We'll see you right back here next Tuesday for your weekly housing fast break.